Assalamu alaikum friends, today we'll discuss how to fix the browser does not support WebAssembly error. Open Chrome, then type chrome:/flex. Click enter. Then type WebAssembly. Select Enable on the experimental WebAssembly drop-down menu. Enable all other assembly flags setting listed in the search result. Click the relaunch. Thanks for watching.